Hello, 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 hello to all the precious people all over the world. Welcome back to our channel, Precious Cats of Mama Keys. Today is changing of the yarn necklaces or the yarn colors of our precious for babies. We will start with the ones who have been here, the 17 babies. These are DIYs of mine. This is yes. It's changing of the yarn colors of them. That's yes.
Yes.
Which color do you like? Yes. Which
Tagak,
one?
may natagak.
Which one? Yes.
Oh.
You cannot choose. Mama will be the one to choose. We'll have the darker color for you. Which one would that be, Papa Yuyan?
Ayun, ang pink.
Dili lagi pink. Agay. Nang bien.
Ay, great.
You have the bien kiss. Have the bien kiss.
Ayo gato pang biya, oy.
You're
Okay, like that ba? Like that.
shy.
Okay.
Yes.
You're handsome ka to.
Be handsome. Be handsome is yes,
Very
yes.
handsome mo. Oh. Very handsome yan.
Ay.
Yes. No.
Finished with a green necklace. And that's yes. Yes. It's Frank, a lady ginger who is now in heat. Oh, what? What's the best for Fiang Fiang? This one?
Pink.
You have the pink. You have the pink yarn. Fiang Fiang. When I will be able to buy those colors, I would prefer to have the color for them with the anti-tick color.
Yes.
It's clear. My Siam is dark brown tan. Take this one, Kiki. Take this one, Kiki. What would be your color, Kiki? We'll choose the yellow, Kiki. This one. It will look good on you. Hi, Kiki. Hi, Clear. He is a cuddle type. Hi. Mata parola. Hi. It's like your eyes, yellow.
Like
your color.
either manatad, yellow or red.
Kiki with the yellow and it's plain my semi-Persian black cat. A pin. Very cuddly as well. What your color? Okay.
Blue.
We'll have the green. This one pin, the apple green. You look good on the, what you call that? Shocking colors. Look good on you. Keep pin. Agoy, nag-video ba meron sang usa? From Bakayan, Bilyaleson. Plain. Talamban. Almost 2 hours travel and another 2 hours going back home without a place to rest. That's Pin Pin. That's Pin Pin. You let them see your color. That's Pin Pin. That's Pin Pin. And here is Kisses, Mama Cat for the second time. And all the kitten lost. 5 kittens died on her second being a mama. This is the most dangerous we are protecting because she is not able to give birth naturally by herself. I have to assist her to take out the placenta. It's not good. So, take one niya dong pink. Pink imo. Pink imo kitet. That is why I am now fighting for the neuter of those males who have already big balls. I cannot let anything to happen again unto this beautiful girl. She's precious to me. She's considered as the luckiest in this humble home of our YouTube channel. With more than 11,000 views on her first video, on her first bath video.
Wow.
And she gave me a male calico and a female ginger. Isn't that amazing? Isn't that amazing? Na beautiful deal na kitet? Huh? Kitet? 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 Kitet?
Okay.
This one is Gain. Another mama cat of 3 also died, the 3 of them. And they are still like Kisses. She is still very skinny
Bato bang nila?
and bony. So we cannot afford to have her pregnant again. And then, saan naman niya? Ginusak ka naman niya eh.
Lang na, ay?
What's that? Sa to kanina mo mulet. Bed? What's the matter, bed? You will have this one after about 3 days. Bed. Mama Kiss will just have to make red ones for you first. Need that. Istorya niya.
Bed. Yan.
May kuwan ganyan na kamera roon.
Dili
Kaya
lagi.
mo pagdagin mo.
Ayan lagi.
Hey!
Si
Di lang
Ibong.
ka ibiha-ibiha.
Diyan na Ibong ipaglakaw.
This is gang. This is gang. Wow, oh my good kitties. Din. You're Torka? Torka din. You're Torka?
Okay.
5-year-old gray tabby. Jade.
Yes,
Represented
guwapo.
by his eyes.
Guwapo
Jade
po.
one. A very guwapo one. A very pugi one. A very handsome one. Huh? But very sungkaban one. Huh? How's that? Ninyed? What's your color, Ninyed? What's your color?
Itong kuan.
Ne?
Ayun ka itong kuan green.
Green? Gani?
Oh.
Green. Jade will have a green and red color yarn. Jade. Ninyed.
Titaan na.
That ninyed. Kapoy na lang ka?
Okay.
Kaganahan? Ninyed man na. Another good boy, Eve. Ebong. May si my mau, Egyptian mau cat. Ebong. It's very worn out. What would you like, Ebong? We'll have the blue one, Ebong.
Blue.
Oh, nice on you, Ebong, the blue one. Ebong. Hi, Ebong. You have square eyes, Ebong. Don't you know that? You have square eyes. Don't you know that? It's biga po na, Ebong. Hi, Ebong.
Ebong? Hey, Amber?
That's the blue color of our Ebong. Eve. E-B-E. Eve.
Okay.